to make sure she's not using. So it'll be random weekly testing for the drugs.
Yes.
Does she have an interlock now?
She has an interlock now.
Did she test positive for alcohol at all? Okay, so she gets a scram too.
She gets a scram, okay.
Yeah.
All right, Judge, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, of course.
Louis, Judge TJ.
Yeah, come on.
Bottom of one.
Adame, come up. You too. Thanks, Juan. Hopefully it works out.
I know.
I wanted to, you
I
know?
said on Thursday, the doctor's gonna go check with them.
Yeah. What he needs to do is just, instead of going there, calling the DPS number and finding out what else do I need to give you? Because I'm almost positive they're probably gonna want an SR-22 as well. Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that. You want more
I
time?
was in there, I asked if I can get a court appointed, so we can come back and talk to them about it.
What, are you working?
I haven't been working since February.
Why not?
Fine, but I haven't done it yet.
So what were you doing last?
I was, working about seems to have never part of it.
What, did you quit the company? Did they fire you?
No, they let me go because, after the incident,
Can you give him an application, please? You will be expected to work, and I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks to see, and I want proof of 50 applications. You understand? Okay.
All right, Judge, page 6, Dawkins, come on up.
What's the last name? Yes.
Dawkins on page 6.
No contact with the complaining witness and no weapon. I'm not gonna,
Adame, here.
I'm not gonna talk about the case, but I don't want you to talk. Oh, did we give you a lawyer?
Because I have to show how it's not, at least that's what I scored against.
Just,
When do I need to run?
do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that.
I was trying to call one, but I can't.
Why not? How many did you talk to?
I talked to like 3.
Okay, you may need to talk to 33. We will give you more time. And on the auditorium, we'll have you sign a recessor. Is this really a good idea?
Judge. He says that he just has done it a long time, but he's not gonna use on probation.
Are you mom? Thank you so much for coming. In the short 6 months you have been on bond, you have picked up multiple cases and had bond violations. And now you want to extend for another 15 months?
I got a project in Austin that's
No. A short stint, even on bond, you couldn't stay out of trouble. Speaking words have no value when you continue to say sorry. I use the example so much. I have a 4-year-old son, and my son is always messing up And he says, sorry, Dad. I said, okay, bud, please try not to do it again. Does it again. I told you, please don't do it again. Sorry, Dad. Does it again. Sorry, Dad. We're now on how many sorries, Mr. Torres? Your sorries have no value. And the problem is that we are here case after case after case. And in 2 years, you're now on number 4. And I don't even know if there's stuff that's out of county or in other places. Hence, is this a good idea? You can't stay out of trouble. Mom, you can lie to me, but you can't lie to yourself, Mr. Torres, because the problem is that if you go to jail, it's going to be a long ass time. And not only that, if you continue to test positive, I'm going to throw your butt in a rehab facility where you will stay there for a minimum of 9 months if you respond well to treatment. If you don't, your butt will be in there for a year and a half. And then you ain't got mom, you ain't got dad, you ain't got your dog, you ain't got your job in Austin, because the shenanigans continue and continue. We want our streets safe, and we're going to do everything in our power to protect them. And if that means throwing your butt in there for an extended period of time, no one. We're just not going to lose sleep. You tell me, is this a good idea? I am happy to do whatever you want to do. You know you better than anyone else here, better than your mom, better than your dad. But here we are, 2.5 years. If you want time to think, I'm happy to do it. You tell me.
Definitely.
This has nothing to do with her. This has nothing to do with him. It's all on you. You will have to meet once a month. I'm going to drug test you like crazy to make sure you're not using. And in 30 days, your butt gets tested. And if you test positive for marijuana, what happens? We all have problems in life, but what defines you as a person is how you cope with the problems. We all have it. I have 4 kids and they drive me up the freaking wall. But you know what I do? I run my ass 4 miles every single morning at 5:30 in the morning. Before anyone else is up, I get up to go run so that it takes the aggravation off my nerves, because I am always upset and I'm always frustrated. But instead of me taking to booze or doing something irrational, I work out like crazy. That is what defines you as a man and as a person, so you don't end up like another freaking statistic, Mr. Torres, because the way that you're headed, especially with this first charge that you picked up, you want time to think about this?
Not judge.
You're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement that you have worked out is 180 days in jail to be probated for 15 months. As part of the agreement, is this a true first?
I believe so, Judge. Yes.
As part of the agreement, you will do a DWI education class. You will do 2 victim impact panels, a gun safety class, no drugs, no alcohol. You must maintain a guardian interlock, 24 hours of community service. Defendant will forfeit the weapon. Do you understand that these terms and conditions? That means no marijuana. That means no pills. That means no alcohol. You will be tested weekly, so I know that you're not using the first instant. And let me give you a little perspective. If I have to issue a warrant for your arrest, usually on these cases, I put them at 5 digits. If they arrest you in Austin out of a Harris County warrant, you're going to be sitting in custody for a long time just to get extradited back here. Do you understand? No breath test refusal. If you are pulled over, an officer asks you to submit a breath test, you must do it while you're on this probation. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, this will go on your record. It will be there forever. Every time you get pulled over, officers are going to look at your history. If they smell something funky in your car, what are they going to do? Very well, it's a possibility. So for the rest of your life, if you do anything, even half of a beer, don't get into a car. How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? I'm going to find you guilty, and I'm going to probate your 180 days for 15 months. Like I said, as part of this agreement, you will be tested like crazy. Don't pick up any new cases. If you ever have an issue, you can call Ms. Freedy, you can call us here in court, but the worst possible thing you can do is either pick up a new case, have a gun, or take off, because those I will file an instant warrant. You understand? Waive his fees. It's not about the money. I don't care about the money. I want you to do what you say you're going to do and be safe. All right, good luck, Ms. Phil. Thanks, Mom. Oh, and the other case is going to get dismissed, right?
Right.
Okay.
Is not.
Okay.
Not filed.
Okay.
Miranda's in custody. She asked for a week to talk to her. Before I said it, for your trial, this was one where you, got rid of the evidence, but they still want to go forward, but she wants a week to look it over and he's okay with it.
Okay.
So,
Yeah,
fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
of course. Hi. Hi, good morning.
Here on case number 2600535. So the 20. He's not on docket.
What?
He's not on docket. He's not on docket.
Oh, okay.
It should be for Mr. Peter Arvone.
Oh, right. All right, this is the one you've been talking about. Okay, is he here? All right, you mind bringing him up?
Okay, thanks.
This is the one where there was a BVR filed, if I remember, because
He was a no-show for,
a test. And then we put him on docket for here, but he no-showed. But you were saying that for some reason he didn't get notice or whatnot.
correct. So, I didn't receive notice of a bond violation for the court date, for I think it was March. And so I did not tell him that he had to show up or anything like that because I was unaware myself.
Hey, I'm going to reinstate your bond today, Mr. Arvalo, but this is never going to happen again. If you miss a test, if you don't come to court, we will issue a warrant, and this time you will go into custody. You understand? So make sure that they have your correct number because it's on you. It's not on them. They're going to call you. They're not going to call her to come take a test. If you fail to come one more time, okay, done. Did you get the cause number?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
All right, Judge, another CHA?
Yeah, come on.
Bottom of 14, Johnson, come on up.
Mr. Johnson, do you have a lawyer today?
No, sir. I've been in touch with, two. Well, coming out with,
You want a little bit more time? Okay, come on. This is it, though. Come on.
It's got to.
Alright, Judge, bottom of 15, Lattimore. Alright. Go ahead and sign the charge.
Good morning, Ms. Lattimore. Do you have a lawyer today? Do you have a lawyer today? Tell me what you're doing about that. What do you do for a living? And how much money do you make a month? Maybe, can you give her an application? Okay.
Alright, there you go. We're pretty good.
Hey, calm down.
Alright, Judge, bottom of 8. Bottom of 15.
Okay.
McPherson, come on up.
Hey, how many more do you have?
Okay, 3 more. Hey, Sean.
Morning, Mr. McPherson. Do you have a lawyer today?
No, so I'm reading with Sean, I'm reaching.
Okay, we'll give you 2 weeks, please.
Alright, Judge, next is
Thank you.
bottom of 23, Tabora.
morning, sir.
Good morning, Mr. DeBoer. Do you have a lawyer today?
I do not.
Tell me what you're doing about that.
Well, it's because I got my license.
Stop. I'm not going to talk about the case. You either have a lawyer or you don't. Okay, okay. We'll give you more time. You want to head on over to Victoria. When you come back, please have a lawyer. Hey,
Hi, Joe Mappers.
please.
I have Rivera Acosta.
Okay,
She had a BVR. She did check in this morning and was sent to 49 for a drug test. Seems like right now we don't know exactly where she is. I'm trying to contact her and let her know if it's okay to make her to get that drug test done by 3 p.m. Since I believe that's the cutoff. I just wanted to.
well, if we send her now,
Okay.
then she's supposed to be there now.
Yes.
So I sent her over around 9:50. She did check in, and when the officer went to bring her to the back, she wasn't there. That was around 10:30. That had messed with me, and so.
Okay, so, I mean, she has until the end of docket. If she's not showing up there by the end of docket, then
If she doesn't show up by 3 p.m.
no, she's supposed to be there now. And she left. If she's back there and she's checked in now, at least checked in by the time that we leave. If she's not there by the time we leave, then we're booking her on.
Okay.
Okay.
Your Honor.
That's a good question for Probation.
Okay,
For Hutchinson, I find verification, just no driving.
which one?
For Hutchinson, it was the UCW with the felony.
Yeah, no driving and no weapons. Correct.
It doesn't have a name, yes.
Cindy, good.
Thank you.
So we have another THA.
Okay,
Or sorry, top of 21, Richardson.
just take a seat from in the jury box. You're gonna point him someone.
Top of 27, Washington.
Good morning, Miss Washington. Do you have a lawyer? Tell me what have you done about that? How many have you spoken to? And what do you do for a living?
Fix it. Time.
Okay, how do you support yourself? Were you working?
Yeah, I'm tired.
From what?
I'm sitting.
Okay, I need to know, if you want to apply for a court-appointed lawyer, I need to know everything about you. How much money you get monthly, how much money you have in the bank, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, IRAs, and then I'll take a look to see whether you qualify, but I need to know everything about you. And then we'll take a look what kind of cars you have, how many cars, and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. It's a sworn document, so put everything like you're supposed to. If you put zeros on it, I'm gonna send it right back to you. Do you understand? Okay? Deputy Williams, I also need that gentleman Richardson to fill out an application too, if you don't mind, please. Victoria, did you say something else?
Judge, did you want to go to the FCA's?
Yeah.
Bottom of 7. Except for Raymond, also here to
Wait, bottom of what?
7.
Okay. Oh, right. This is Carl's case. Let me see.
Yeah. 'Let's Ariel say she emailed me, so it's.
$15,003.
15,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we need more time for this. Also, we can be second, or I'm sorry, 19 and the 21st. Let's do 20, Wednesday. Oh, let's do that. See what I'll do, the extension. Judge, you ready for that one?
Yeah.
Page 16.
Wait, okay, so hold on. Did you see on Dixon?
I saw it remanded.
Okay, good. All
How
right.
much?
It's same thing, just no more PLR bonds. Okay, who's next?
Page 16, Lewis.
$25.01. Wait, top or bottom?
Both.
Oh, okay. $25.01 on both.
Bottom of 17.
Uh-huh.
It's a BDR. Did counsel ever approach on that one?
No.
Okay. The defendant didn't check me.
Okay, so 5,001.
And then top of 16, I called several times the phone for listed with the defendant, and there was no answer. So we will deny. That was the one the state was a party.
Which one?
Top of 18.
Oh, top 18.
Yes.
Can you roll it till tomorrow? Or wait. So this was a pro se?
I think so. Council, did an attorney of record a long time ago, so I think they just kind of auto-populated. So that's why the number listed for the defendant. Yeah, it was a pro se petition.
Just roll to tomorrow and I'll talk to the state.
Top of 20.
Okay.
Data, I'm going to do a vote for it.
So both bottom ones, 5,001 on FSGI and PCS, 5,001 each.
Okay. Top of 21, Judge, that's he hired his attorney. He said he had.
They're not here. Okay, roll till tomorrow. This case is 158 days old. Not waiting anymore. Day for day until they get here then.
Page 29, TJ, Belleville here.
Can you mark that down in the notes, defendants?
Yes, Judge. Oh, Judges Lynn just signed on. Yes. I'll send her a.
Did you say top of 29?
Oh.
25 of one on both? Is there anyone else?
You may have a couple of financial affidavits up there already.
Oh, got it. I granted them. So I did bailers on Ortega. I did it on Gonzalez. Found, I didn't do it on Falcon? Okay. Am I missing anyone else?
Gonzalez?
Yeah,
Your video?
Yeah.
Maybe Garcia Calderon?
I'll do that. Yeah, just in case so they don't. Hey, good job today, guys. Good. It was fast and loose. So. Good job.
See what else.
Ally, thanks for staying. Thank you for staying. Appreciate it. Okay, I think I've signed everything in the queue.
Adame, come on up.
Say it again? You found it? We're doing a PR bump.
Yeah, I think she wanted to.
Yeah, but no one from Starkville is gonna come pick them up. It's not like the thing where the hair center comes and picks them up. This is just,
I don't think that's what she needs to
yeah, she's here. It's not the traditional one where they're gonna come pick up and take.
I'm trying to work with HPD to try to.
That's, you know, that's a great call. How else is he gonna get this?
That's why I'm still here, doesn't it? Just, you know, it's not like a second. So. The judge, he needs an order attached to it, so that judge can. Sign off on it. It also has like specifically where they go, so when we issue the work record, we put it on there, they not have to be. We just pick them up with all of this.
But no one's gonna, what about money? Do you want money? Is there something that can, like, you know, like investigative or, how else would we get?
These are like the traditional relationship.
What about, do you want to reach out to the MAC and see what they suggest maybe? And we can roll it till tomorrow and just let them know?
Yeah. Alcohol.
Because I don't know how else, because you're right, if we just try to leave it on him, he's gonna go back to where he knows.
Okay, I'm not. I figured it would be some kind of issue, that's why I was just sitting there to see. Yeah, it's because when we put those court records in, we go based off the order. You know, states the order and we sign, it's like they're releasing this person, this kind of, here's their phone number. So that shows us.
Have you ever done the order that we do with mental health where we have someone pick them up? It'll detail 4 people that are allowed to come pick them up, and it says they're supposed to pick them up at 2 p.m. on that day. I think that's what you were looking for,
Yeah.
but we don't know because Star of Hope doesn't have that kind of thing where someone's going to pick them up. So the only other thing was maybe a MAC social worker is willing to help. And they'll do it.
It can be anyone, it can be the family members. Right. So.
But he ain't got it. That's the problem.
Yeah, but as long as they're listed on that, and it's an oversight off or anything like that. They'll know to release it.
Wait to process a PR bond.
So you know, we have like a motion, that's like first part in order. Yeah, I haven't done that. So the order to do the same thing that we have.
Should we have a fun on that so I think you're new here with that. You just like her to get us a bill before we go. On our.
What did they do to them?
Which is some 15 years upstairs. And then she's on something.
Hey, either or, both, one or the other, repeat. Saldana is on the docket. I don't know if you remember Miss Saldana, but,
So, yes, second.
hold on, let me call Mr. D because I don't want to ex parte. No, I don't have this. I thought I had his phone number. I don't have this phone number. Let me see. Maybe it's here. Okay, here we go. That's it.
It looks like this.
Telephone number 71350230881. Can't take your call now.
That's your name.
Hey, Mr. D, it's David Fleischer. I'm calling you regarding Miss Saldana. Would you mind giving me a call back? We will also roll it tomorrow. If you don't mind, maybe stopping by tomorrow so we can talk about it. Or otherwise, just give me a call. Thanks. Bye. All right. We can't do anything without him. I don't want to do anything without him. So let's just roll it to tomorrow and then. Crap. Hey, I need to unsign,
Oh, okay. All right.
good. I need to unsign it because I haven't talked to, is it in ready for activities?
Yes, it's ready.
I see it. No, I got it. We just can't. Yeah. Hey, on Saldana, can you roll till tomorrow?
Okay.
I called Mr. D, he didn't answer.
He did come today.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, he came.
That's the problem. We don't know what to do with her, though.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, sorry. If he calls you back, then we can, Mr. You ready? Mr. Dixon, you're charged with driving while your license is suspended. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We have worked out an agreement, or you have worked out an agreement that they're offering us 3 days in jail credit for the 6 days that you've done. You are giving up a lot of rights by entering into this agreement. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on behalf, confront and cross-examine accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You also give up the right to appeal. Is this what you want to do today? How do you plead to this offense, sir? You know, Mr. Dixon, there are times in life that you just can't do stuff anymore. You know, you love this girl, right? You love her so much, but she just don't want you. And she's like, dude, let's break up. I don't want you. With you, it's with weapons. Stop. No, you can always get your license back. I'm talking about weapons. It's like a bad breakup. I know that you like this girl a lot and you want to continue, but you can't. It's over. No more. Do you understand? Right. I don't want to have to put you in jail. But at some point, you cannot continue to pick up cases and expect good things to happen. Do you understand? Not only that, when you come to court, good things happen. We don't ask much from you, but if you pick up a case, you got to come to court. When you don't, you are deemed a flight risk, and then bonds just start shooting up and up and up, and there are no more PR bonds. Do you understand? We're not asking much from you. If you're going to do stuff, follow the law, or it's just going to continue to catch up with you. I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to follow the agreement. I'm going to sentence you to it. From now on, it is a minimum of 30 days in jail. You understand? Good luck to you, sir. Thanks, Mr. Reed. Yes, ma'am. Hi. We're good. You can just reset. Oh, who? That's what I'm talking about. I mean, we've already got everything we need. He's got conditions, so you're just free to go. Yeah. I know, but she's just signing on. We got to give her some time. Yeah, I mean, it's not a lot, but, you know, we'll give you a couple of seconds for sure. No, man, she gotta really. Oh, huh? You blame it on me, huh? Get your sister. Antoine, what do you do? Are you waiting? We might have. Is discovery complete on that case, though? Okay, hey, on Richardson, please get on the writ. It's an old case. So send it to the investigator now if you need to, please. Thanks. Etch, who's that? Her. No, her. In the blue.
That's her.
Oh.
Rivera, that was the one that was sent for a test, but, she left before she could be tested, but she did report to our office. And, we have the results, we'll just wait later.
Oh, so she did test.
Yes.
I guess, well, I mean, it's now nearly 1 o'clock. She's gone, so we'll roll it till tomorrow, I guess. You know? Hey, Mr. Landria.
How are you, sir?
What's up, man?
I am here for Ben Friedman this morning on Mitchell Martis.
Yeah, the defendant never showed up.
He is in a rehab facility, checked himself in on April 10th. I've got a letter from what's called The Well in Fleischer. I've got a letter from Ashley Smith, who is the case manager for the Pierce.
Okay. When did he, do you have the, look, do you have the actual letter?
Oh, yes, sir. I've got a copy of it. I sent it to the state. I was gonna.
Okay. When did he check in?
Checked in on the 10th of April, and then say his estimated discharge date is May 15th.
No, my only issue is if he can get up and just go.
That's a concern that I can't
Right.
argue.
So did you hear that? On Martis, checked into a rehab. So I guess you've got, I mean, tell Ben that you guys, I trust you guys, you're officer of the court, but if the defendant takes off, he's got to be here the next business day. Otherwise, the bond gets revoked. We'll just
Yes, sir.
do 30 days. And then,
Would
hey,
you like to do like the 16th of May, because that'll be his estimated discharge?
sure.
Okay.
And then, can you do me a favor?
Absolutely.
Veronica, can you do me a favor? On Martis, who's on the docket today? He's in rehab. Can you forward it to her? And then we're gonna have her randomly check, just make sure that he's in attendance in a couple of weeks.
Of course, yes, sir.
And then assuming all is well, then we'll just continue, you know?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay. No. Oh, hey, did you, on the address for the MOA, did you? Yeah, please. She's gonna go call him.
Okay.
You just take a seat for me. We're gonna call the complaining witness. No one else want to talk to?
Do you guys know bottom of 21?
Okay.
That's positive.
This is the moment everything shifts. The judge isn't just talking about this case anymore. He's exposing a pattern. Repeated violations, empty apologies, and zero behavioral change. In legal terms, this is credibility collapse. Once a judge believes your words have no value, your chances of leniency drop fast. And here's the real question for you watching. At what point should the system stop giving second chances?
So we'll roll to tomorrow because the lawyer's gone.
Judge, are you speaking about this, are you late for registration?
While he's in treatment, yeah, obviously, because we can't.
Rivera? Right this way.
Mr. Washington, come up.
Go ahead and sign the
So your spouse makes 40 grand a year, and then you have this other income as well. I can't appoint your lawyer. You make too much because it's based on household income, you know? I can certainly give you more time, but, you know, we follow the guidelines, and you have to be at the poverty level, which is making $15,800 a year to qualify. And we can't just give them out like it's candy on Halloween. I don't have a unlimited number. Okay. Okay. So if you want to head on over, we'll have you sign a receipt. We'll give you more time.
That's it, you're free to go. So I got you to sign something we said earlier. That date.
Hang on.
Okay. You good?
All right, there you go, you're free to go.
Oh, they got a mower.
Council Antoine, did you leave those road frames, please?
No, wait.
You're good. You're good.
Oh.
You're going to.
Yeah.
Just making sure.
I felt it.
Thanks, buddy.
The AV is